Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life Acura RDX 2011 full guide. Begin by placing the key in accessory position and do not start the engine, then cycle the display to the oil life screen. Press and hold the select and reset button until the percentage drops to 100, then release and confirm the display shows 100%. Drive normally and monitor your maintenance minder for future alerts. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life Acura RDX 2011 full guide. Find the multi-information display and use the display buttons to view oil life percent. When oil life appears, firmly press and hold the select/reset button for about 10 seconds until the number changes or flashes. Release when the display reads 100% and then turn the ignition off and on to verify the reset has been saved and the maintenance light is cleared. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life Acura RDX 2011 full guide. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth for clear, friendly money guidance that ties to saving for maintenance and emergencies. It can change how you budget for repairs and long-term goals. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to reset oil life Acura RDX 2011 full guide. If the reset does not work, try cycling the key to accessory again and repeat the hold procedure, making sure you reach the oil life screen first. Inspect the select/reset button for debris or sticking and clean gently if needed. When repeated attempts fail, seek help from a dealer or trusted mechanic to ensure the maintenance system and wiring are functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.